We're gonna see an example with GUI and graphics case study, displaying text and images using the JLabels. Programs often use labels when they need to display information or instructions to the user in a graphical user interface. Labels are a convenient way of identifying GUI components on the screen and keeping the user informed about the current state of the program. In Java, an object of class JLabel from the package javax that swing can display text, an image, or both, and we are gonna see it. So we're gonna have a new folder. We can name it whatever we want. We're gonna name it this. We're gonna open in terminal, so it's gonna be code space that, so we can open it in Visual Studio Code. The name of this file is gonna be label demo. Okay, it's gonna be label demo that java. Okay, label demo that java. And here we're just gonna demonstrate the uses of the label. So we're gonna import java.awt, okay, that we're gonna use border layout. We are gonna have import java.awt, well, it's gonna be javax that swing, okay, that swing that image, so image icon. Okay, what else? We're also gonna import javax that swing that JLabel semicolon at the end. We're gonna have import javax that swing that JFrame semicolon at the end. Okay, so we have a second semicolon, we can delete it. So javax JFrame, that's fine. And here we're just gonna have our public class label demo, public class label demo, curly, we open curly braces, and we are gonna have our main method, so public static void main. Okay, so now we're gonna create a label with plain text. So to do that, we use, let me move here, JLabel, so it's gonna be JLabel north label, so it's gonna be north label. And here we're gonna have new JLabel semicolon, inside of the parentheses we are gonna have in north. What else do we have? So we create a label with plain text. We have the JLabel north, let me see, north label, then here we have new JLabel north, that's fine. Now we're gonna create an icon from an image, so we can put it on a JLabel, and it's gonna be image, icon, and it's gonna be label icon, and we are set it to the new image icon. And here inside of the double quotes we're gonna have in the GUI tip that give, let me see, give, and at the end GUI tip that give, that's fine. Now we're gonna have in the JLabel center, okay, center label, okay, center label, JLabel center label. We're gonna set it to the new JLabel, and we are gonna pass in label icon, so it's gonna be label icon semicolon at the end. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna create another label with an icon, so it's gonna be JLabel, so JLabel south, let me see, south label, Okay, and this south label we're gonna have new JLabel, and here we are gonna have label icon, so it's gonna be label icon semicolon at the end. We're gonna have in our south label, so south label that set text, and we're just gonna type in south. Okay, so we have that. We are gonna go here, and now we are gonna have we're gonna create a frame to hold the label. So JFrame application, we are gonna set it to new JFrame parentheses semicolon at the end, so new JFrame. Okay, and here we're gonna use this application that set let me see, set default close operation. So set default close operation. Okay, and inside of the parentheses we are gonna have the JFrame, so JFrame that exit, let me see if I have it here, JFrame that yeah, I already have it here, that exit underscore on underscore close. And now we're gonna add the labels to the frame. The second argument specifies where on the frame to add the labels, so we're gonna have the application that add parentheses, we're gonna have the north label, so let me see, we're gonna have the north label, we're gonna have in the border layout that north semicolon at the end. We're gonna have in the application that add, and we're gonna have now the center, so it's gonna be the center label comma, and then we're gonna have in the border border layout that center. Okay, so let me see, oh, this one has to be in uppercase letters, north. Okay, so we have north, center, and finally we're gonna have in the south, so we can just copy this one, paste it here, and it's gonna be south. Okay, south label, and this one just would be south. Okay, so like this, save it, and now just the application, so it will be the application that set size, so set size, and we're gonna pass in 300, yeah, by 300, that's fine, the width and the height. And now the application that set size, and this will be the boolean true. Okay, so set size, I mean, is set visible, so it will be set visible and the boolean true, so we can save it. And let me see, why are they giving us, okay, so we have Java that AW border layout, Java util concurrent, no, this one is wrong. Let me double check. North. Okay, so we only need our GIF image, and I'm taking the image from this website, and once you pretty much right click it, save it, you have to save it in the folder that we are dealing, in this case test, and the name is gonna be GUI-tip.gif, as the one that we have over here. That will be the name of the file. Once you save it, you can just click here and run Java, and this would be the image, so all the credits go for this author, it's not mine. Okay, also all the credits go for the authors Deitel. And yeah,